Welcome to the channel. Every Sunday I'm putting out videos of the best stocks for the week, and we're looking at 3 stocks today that look like ballistic missiles. If you need help finding these stocks and knowing when to buy or sell these stocks, check out the link in the description. Sign up for Retire Young Pro. You'll get access to these daily charts, daily updates, my alerts when I buy and sell stocks. Let's dig into Duolingo, Spirit Airlines, and Airbnb. Why they're looking so saucy. That lemon lime is hitting. First on the list, we got Spirit Airlines. I love this one because I see a 25% return. The 2 other ones are just as juicy, so stay tuned. 25% return on Spirit Airlines. If you don't know what Spirit Airlines, it's like budget-friendly travel. You could travel cross country for like $12 and they'll give you like free tacos. Anyway, major support right here. When I see major support, I know to go in aggressive and heavy. And I have an aggressive and heavy position on this one, and I'm watching it every single day. The reason why this is strong support is because, whoop, Corona pandemic, bang, support. Middle of pandemic, bang, support, and right now, bang, support. This cannot possibly go below this support line. If it does, they'll go out of business, which won't happen. They're the best airline for the common folk that want a cheap flight. This and Frontier, but Spirit's way better. Like I said, maybe they didn't give me tacos. Maybe I was in Mexico. So I'm seeing 25% returns on this. RSI is actually cooling down right now. It did a strong bounce off of the support, which means the support is confirmed. It's coming down to let RSI come down to the blue. B for blue, B for ballistic missile. It's about to launch. Now, this should run all the way up in waves, of course. Stocks don't just go up. It's not an elevator. It's a wave. They go up in waves, running up. $35 price target. Let's confirm the percentage on this one. It's actually better than I thought. 30% returns. I don't know what I was thinking when I said 25. This is looking even better. I might buy more. So the reason why I say 35 is because we're going to be hitting a lot of turbulence there in this range. 35, 35.20, 35.30, somewhere around there, maybe even 34.90. So a lot of turbulence in this range. So 35 in this range because we have a lot of resistances here. This is where it had some trouble or it had some support, and now that turned into resistance. So it's going to have a tough time getting through here. It's going to trickle, maybe come down, and then push back up eventually because this is a phenomenal company. Spirit's not going nowhere. If you're watching this video a week from now, a month from now, you're like, hey, this didn't happen, didn't hit 35. It broke support. It fell down. Yes, every day, these formations change. That's why in my group, which is what I'm talking about, in my Discord, I send out daily updates on stocks I'm watching, positions I'm in, so we know when something shifts, we shift with it. We don't hope for a play to turn out, we move with where the play is going. Now the next one is Duolingo, 13% return potential. The next one's bigger than this one. So if you don't know what Duolingo is, it's language learning. I'm doing Espanol and it's looking muy bien. So 13% returns on this one, looking very good. So this one's going to hit a potential of 160 price target. It's going to chop sideways and then push up. And I know this because of past IPOs. This is a new IPO. It just hit the market. Duolingo is a phenomenal company. Like I said, I use the app. I know, you know when you're using an app if it's a good app. This is a phenomenal app. Probably the best language learning app I've ever seen. Check out Duolingo if you want to learn a new language. It's, like I said, it's perfecto. This is doing something similar to what Roblox did. RBLX, this one IPO'd. Let me pull it up here. So it did this wave. It ran sideways and then shot up and hit this target of 105. This is what these new IPOs do that are strong IPOs. Duo is going to do something very similar. It's going to bounce around sideways and then push up. 160 is the price target. Now, 132 is our support. If 132 fails, this is where you get out, lock in gains because it's gone much deeper. You could sell, buy in cheaper later on. But I don't think that's going to happen with this company because people are underestimating Duolingo. Even though it was up 5% on Friday, maybe they're not. It's looking good. The next one is Airbnb. If you don't know what Airbnb is, I don't know where you'd be sleeping. You'd probably be sleeping at the damn Hilton hotels. Airbnb's fun. Sometimes the host is there. You get to hang out. I was sleeping at an Airbnb in Japan, woke up early in the morning, this nice little sweet Japanese grandma woke me up with a green tea and a sushi roll. I said, what's this? She said, it's breakfast. Now this one's showing a dose support, 2 supports right here. Whoop, whoop. Thank you, Duolingo, for teaching me the number 2. Like I said, RSI is one of the simplest, best indicators. Whenever it goes blue, that means it's a buy because it's going to turn into a B ballistic missile, which is what it does every time. Whoop, whoop, runs up. You capitalize on those easy returns when it goes blue. Now it's starting to curl up here. It's probably going to come down before it pushes up and breaks out of that 155 resistance and pushes all the way up to 180. That is my price target because we have a lot of resistance in this area. Whoop, 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 whoop. There's our resistances. So let's draw it out, see the percentage. So right there, 26, 27% returns on Airbnb. Like I said, this company is phenomenal. All 3 of these companies are phenomenal companies. They're not going nowhere. It's just a matter of time until you're in the green. So always dollar cost average on these trades. Don't just go in and be a goldfish Robinhood trader and just buy it. Dollar cost average, because when you buy 10%, 15%, if it comes down, you're going to be happy and you're going to want to add, bring that average down, start building that full position for that breakout. And it's coming soon on all 3 of these. All 3 are at strong bottoms. Duolingo is obviously not at a bottom. It's brand new, but that's going to do good things as well. Make sure you lock in gains. So if you need help knowing when to buy or sell these stocks to maximize profits and minimize gains, I highly recommend signing up for Stock Alerts. It's in the description. It's also up here. Check it out. It's very cheap for financial wealth. What are you doing? You'll see exactly when I buy these stocks, start building positions, and exactly when I get out to maximize my profits and minimize those losses when it starts to curl and fall. So that's it. Hit the subscribe if you're new to the channel. Don't forget, if you hit that button, you're going to be getting closer to the main goal that I've been pitching since day one, to retire young.